going up, 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 forever, going up forever, going up, going up, going up, going up. Going up. So if you consider digital property, that's $100 to $200 trillion addressable market. So I would think it goes from 10 trillion to 100 trillion as people start to think of it as digital property. 500,000, right? That's a $10 trillion. 5 million, that's a $100 trillion asset. Yeah, I think it keeps going up, 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 going up. Going up forever, going up forever. Going up, going up. Going up, going up. Going up, going up. Missouri's looking to go to 10 billion points. Going up, going up. Going up, going up. Going up, going up. Going up, going up. Gold was that low frequency money. Property is a mid frequency money, but when I start to program it faster, it starts to look like digital energy. Going up, going up. Going up, going up. Going up, going up. Missouri's looking to go to 10 billion points.
Yes, man. What is going on? What is going on? And let me hit this little trim button here. My name is Gerald Peters. Welcome back to the channel, folks. During the day, we cover this for the PetersReport.com. If you haven't been there, man, go check it out. Or GeraldPeters.info. You want to join me, man? Send me a text. I got a couple people probably coming on. We won't stay on too long, man. It's freezing here if you haven't noticed. I'm in the snowy woods of Texas. It's snowing on Bourbon Street. It's snowing at my house in Louisiana. And I'm talking inches, man. The South does not do well when this happens. The South does not do well when this happens. Right now I'm live trading, or I am day trading the TQQQ, and we are at 84.97. And I've been kind of taking down some shares here. You ever do that where you get yourself messed up and all of a sudden I got 187 shares? It's like 87? How the fuck did I get 87? Oh shit, let me add stage here. That would help. Sorry about that. Right here. So here we are. We got a TQQ breaking out. We've been on this nice, look at this nice money flow pattern here. Should have moved, I run it right here, and then I've got a 2-minute histogram over here to my left, man. So I usually watch, I don't know, I got the trade application to my right. Just they love the snow background, man. I appreciate that. What's going on? Took a little profit there. I just trimmed some of this trade, and we'll look at a few other things, man. My second income stream portfolio is flying, or at least it was last time I checked. Beating the market this year. It's only been a few days, so getting pictures. Trying to ask him, hey Ash, if you're on here, get a picture of my house if you can, with no cars, man. get a picture of my house with no cars, with the snow in front of it. I don't think I'm gonna get to see that very often. Holistic Trader says Kraft macaroni and cheese, KHC. That's a stock that Buffett blew out of, by the way. I'm up $7,753, and my margin account is flying. Our second income stream. Oh, there you are, Ash. I appreciate you. Yeah, I'll convert that bitch to black and white. Maybe we can put it on the wall. I don't know. Hey, let's see. We'll check on that Holistic Trader. I'll check on that Kraft in just a second. I'm making this easy money right now in the TQQ. We just hit 85.13, and I'm still holding 100 shares, so I'm feeling good. James Holmes says, "Hey GP, I meant to ask you about Oracle." Are you sure you didn't mean to say I meant to ask you because you are an Oracle? But that's not what you said. With the TikTok news and the Trump news, new AI infrastructure announcement. I'm not sure what the question is, bro. What's up, Dylan? MFG? With the rocket emoji. It's on fire. Man, it is cold, huh? Let's check. My friend asked about this. Oh, man, look at this. I trimmed a little. Now I'm down to like 75 shares. I wish I had more here. But, I mean, look at this. Let me show you something. If ever you get these runs like this, let's do it this way. And you see in here, like you get that little sell-off. Now, I trade bar by bar. So is that, see if I can't just make it bigger and bigger. Oh, it's not going to work, is it? It's just in the way. As this sells off, hold on, let me close this out so I can pay attention here. Oh, that's nice. I closed out one share. That's what it is. My fat sausage fingers, when I hit the buttons, I'm somehow hitting the, I'm adding. We just got a doji, by the way. That's usually a reversal signal. But when you got this little sell-off, you get this little 3 or 4 to the downside, and you're in an uptrend. All I'm waiting on, man, all I'm waiting on is just to get it back above that. So like as soon as it breaks above there, boom, I'm in. And then we're riding it up. And then as far as I'm concerned, this is just a new trade, man. You know, if you're trading bar by bar. A lot of ways to trade. It wasn't really a doji over here, but it is on E-Trade. That's always a little confusing. So 85.13. What's up, Jamie? Let's check in on this Kraft. Oh, yeah. One of those deep stage ones. All right, now we got this. That's Kraft. All of these packaged foods, this is all because of, I guess, Kennedy, the guy with the worm in his brain or something, like he has a brain something. We're putting that guy in charge of packaged food companies, or in charge of whatever he's in charge of in the government. And apparently he doesn't like these packaged food companies, which is why we've had Kraft and Hershey's and stuff coming down. Now, here's the cool thing. I don't need to know that. I don't need to know at all what Trump and his people are doing. Actually, don't even give a fuck, actually. But I do read everything, look at everything, listen to everything. I don't believe anything. I don't believe anything that's said ever by anyone. No one knows shit, including you. You know nothing. Neither do I. Okay? Always remember that. And when you start thinking there's people that know things, and they become don't be influenced. That's what influencers do here on YouTube. Some of you guys will go watch Chris Johnson, and then you're like, one, you're out of flow with the money flow, and then you're just buying fucking Bitcoin. And now you're not even in it anymore. Now he can do that. Chris makes a lot of money. Chris makes a shit ton more money than you do. He can do that. He can lose all of his fucking money tomorrow, all of it, and then just be rich again in a couple months. So he can take that kind of chance. What's up, Sam? How you doing? The nut is setting up. Give it another day or two. Yeah, don't give up on it. A lot of people give up too soon. Looks like we may have a doji here. A lot of people give up too soon. Just need a little action here, right above it here. Right above this 85 range. Just need to get up here, and then we're on. I'm actually in for a little bit here. But if we break below, move. I mean, we very well could. See, this is where the indicators will start to fail you too, man. Whenever you get a big sustained move, whenever you get a big sustained move, something's really going. Say at the open, man, bam, it just breaks, boom, up, big gap. MACD, moving averages, all that's out the window because it throws off the indicators. At that point, you're just trading pure price momentum, okay? And I would encourage you to, I'm going to add some shares here. I would encourage you to do that. Practice that. Sometimes just trade price momentum. Don't look at any indicators. You can get on, I like to pull out. Let's pull this back up. I like to get the Bitcoin chart going at night, and I'll just sit there and fuck with one indicator. Like, see, we're back above, like I was talking about. And this run up into this 18.15 or 85.15, I mean, that's kind of where I'm looking. Probably that's where the 7R side will trigger. Let's see. 85.03. SoFi had a big pump. You remember I was telling you, I'm not selling any of that, man. SoFi is going to $30. Hershey's, I'm going to assume we've got most of these packaged. So that's craft. That's the stage one. Here's our box, right? So when I talk about a box, I'm talking about where you get sideways movement. We want some confluence. Confluence would be what? We get our 14 RSI confirms with it, right? We get the box. That's right there. We get an anchor point, right? I would have called that the anchor point. And you might say, well, it went below it. Yeah, but it closed back above it, which built out the box. So right around in there. We've got the bullish crossover on the TSI. You see what happened last time here, what happened here to the downside, what happened here to the downside, what happened here to the upside. So we got the moment. Histogram is changing. Man, just all kinds of good stuff going on. We do have some issues with what we saw here. This temporary support level here, that tends to become resistance is what we're seeing here. So it's probably going to bounce around here for a minute. But then if it gets through that, right, that 20-day, that green line, that's that 20-day simple moving average. It's going to drift lower. We're starting to see the come together, right? We're seeing the come together of the moving averages. Let's see. See how this plays out, man. That's what we're seeing here too, man. Got it breaking above to 84.98. I'm adding shares. Grooving up slowly.
He got juju eyeball. He want holy roller. He got
Hands down.
Got to be a joker.
So we'll see. It's pushing up. See, we had this pretty orderly pullback here, man. And this the original. I'm a trend guy. I'm gonna go what was happening until it isn't happening. So we had this nice pullback, right? Had one here, right? Had one here. That's what we're looking at. If we were to get a sustained move, okay, so there's no reason to try to be shorting. If anything, I just get out, which it's now pulled back, huh? Yeah, well, I guess you could be shorting. Depending on how aggressive. I mean, right there's probably not a bad short. Now that I say that, but we have to, you have to look and see that the overall trend, has been to the downside. Typical chart reading, that's probably right in there. It's kind of I don't know. Be right in there. We get some more in here, a little box that's up, but everything's pointing down right now. But the overall trend, man, is to the upside, right? Pull this up. Let this play for a second. What is the higher time frame here? Well, I mean, the histogram is pointing down on the 5-minute, and we're starting to get the kind of the rollover. Let me pull this up. The rollover on the 5-minute TQ as well. But man, I still feel like this trend continues. We can only trade what is. All right, this is the 5-minute. Let's just do it dirty here. Take sideways, that this is just making assumptions. Obviously, we don't know. Then it pull back down. Are we starting to get the turn and we got a little bit of down? Maybe we just had to work off the RSI here. We'll see. I'm not gonna do it. No, I'm thinking this thing's going higher, man. I think we're going higher. Let's get back on the 1-minute. I think we're going higher. I don't know. This is like a influx area here, huh? Last one. A little bit too much Bitcoin enthusiasm for me. I'm starting not to like Bitcoin. Okay, you guys are starting to gross me out. Let's see. I hate to say that, but I'm getting kind of grossed out. Just something about the president fleecing all of you guys that love him. He just fleeced you for money. And to watch the people try to explain that, oh no, it's a good thing. They've been locking up influencers for this. Now our president does it. I'm not a Trump hater at all. I don't like any of these motherfuckers. Being honest, not a single fucking person that's ever been in White House. They're all scumbags. Let's see. But we just got rug pulled by the goddamn president of the United States. And some people are so into Trump, they can't even accept that. Bro, I'm fixing to start blocking friends for just being fucking retarded. Okay? You're just fucking retarded. You're too fucking stupid to be friends with. God made me too smart to fucking be your friend. About where I'm at. Let's see. We're moving up, man. I'm in a full position now. Rug pulled. Hey, man, the Molina coin, we could get that one too. Let's see. We need some little bubble. We do, but this is a lesson song here, okay? Instagram on the 5 minutes, still pointing to the downside.
Football, he got monkey finger, he shoot Coca-Cola, he said, I know you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together,
my friends, today.
over me.
$1 billion is what they made of your money. Let's see, $1 billion they've been able to siphon off of the fucking followers. Let's see. UAN focus on the wealth of the money flow, because I don't know if you know this, president didn't even mention the money flow. He don't give a fuck about you or anybody you know. He would step right over them. That's what Biden, by the way. You better get your eyes on the money flow and not worry about what the fuck Nancy Pelosi's doing. You guys get your head out. Get it on the goddamn money flow. Start following these stocks. Start reading. And get in flow, man. That's what you're supposed to do every day. Get in flow. Get in flow. Earn it. Act like you're supposed to be fucking rich. Do what rich people do. Get up and hunt that shit. I don't want it easy. I want it hard. Make it hard. I want it the hardest fucking way we can possibly do it. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Let's make it hard, man. I'll look at each fucking chart. You might be too busy doing dumb shit. You don't have time to look at charts because you're spooning in the garage. Fucking playing golf, whatever the fuck you do, wasting your time all day instead of looking at charts, finding stocks, fuck, trying to follow whales. You should be a fucking whale. Stop following whales and be a whale. How about that? Let's see. TikTok uses Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. OpenAI and Oracle are planning to create a joint venture to build a new AI infrastructure in the U.S. Okay. Yeah, man. I'm pretty sure most tech companies right now are doing some shit with all of that. But I get what you're saying. You know, I mean, we do have Snapchat. We do have lots of that stuff already. So, man, this is a weird chart we got going on here. Gerald, don't talk about Trump. It upsets me. Don't upset me. I like being rug pulled. I like to look the other way. If it's someone I like, I don't mind. It kind of reminds me of when the COVID days happened and all my conservative Republican friends all took their hands out and got money. All the ones that are complaining about all the handouts and the poor people, all that bullshit. And then they all got in line to get fucking loans and money from the government. Kind of reminds me of those days. all my fake ass Republican friends, as soon as they had problems, they were in line to get some of that free money. What's up, Chips? So fuck your president. That's what I'm saying. I don't give a fuck, man. I care about the money flow. I'm not trying to rug pull people. Hey, let me sell you the GP coin. Fucking disgusting. Fucking gross. Most of you guys are too intellectually, your brain's too small to even fucking comprehend what just happened. We just got fucking rug pulled. Day one. It's gross, and you guys don't even get it. Head so far right up his ass, don't even get it. My left-winger friends don't get it either. They're too stupid to know what happened. Yeah, random people that never trade asking me about Trump coin. Yeah, man, give them Trump coin, bro. Give them, just tell them it's a peg coin. We're going to do peg coin, okay? Tell them, hey, you want some peg coin? Let me go get my peg. Turn around. We're going to peg you. Just the stock charts and bars till I die. All right, man, I've vomited it enough on that. We got a breakout right here. It was trying to break out 84.95. Let's see. $84.95. Now, you guys know I love Sailor, right? But I'm going to talk about Sailor. He's not an angel, by the way. He's not an angel. Don't talk about Michael Sailor, Gerald. Oh, let's see. I think I'm going to do a reaction video to Chris Johnson's Bitcoin only argument. You guys going to be able to handle it? Nobody's going to cry, are they? As I smash this fucking argument. Let's see. All right, let's check in on where are we at on Hershey's. Oh, hold on. Let me see the 5 minute here. 5 minutes pulled back, man, but you see how we're just kind of going sideways here. So we're building this box. So this stage 3, I mean, this is stage 3 right here. We had this stage 2, and then we kind of thought we were going stage 3, but it looks like it's going to hold up. I was hoping, you see, there's a couple ways, man. Couple ways you can have a correction. You can have a correction in price, and you can have a correction in time. Price doesn't have to correct in price. It can correct in time, and that means just kind of marching sideways, putting in these, what in it ultimately end up creating a supply or demand zone. Is what's going to end up happening. A supply and demand zone, and that's supply and demand is different than support and resistance, kiddos. Like you gotta know the difference. There is a difference between support and resistance and supply and demand. Supply is resistance. They're very similar. And demand is very similar to support. But the difference is the number of bars. In supply and demand zones, you're gonna see boxes. You're gonna see those stage 1 boxes and shit being made out. Sugarlup says Bitcoin only makes sense for Chris considering he has multiple businesses and invests already, not for some broke mofos with no assets at all. Right. That's my opinion as well. But hey, what do I know? I'm not 35 and handsome, so I couldn't possibly know. Let's see. We'll see. We'll see if this breaks out. Let me check in on Hershey's real quick. Wow. I was almost tempted to make a move too. I even thought about some call options here. on Hershey. Damn. I wasn't expecting this. Earlier today, this thing was really running. Now we're sitting at 152. We do have an anchor point right here, right? Next bar goes up. We have confluence because this 14 period RSI right here is at 28. So we got the RSI. We've got price below the 200. Now the stock is valued at 204, 205, and I sold a fourth of it up there. We had that big pop. There's a lot of come togetherness here coming on with hear that groove right there? That's when those moving averages just start coming together.
He back production. He got walrus gumbo. He got all no sapphire. He want spine and cracker. He got feet down below his knees. What the hell are you doing, man?
Nice. What the hell are you doing, TQQ? Boom. Big down move right here at support. Let's see what it does. Yeah, we got the rollover going, man. It's falling apart on the 5-minute chart here. We don't have much longer, and this is fixing to go downtown. Julie Brown. You guys remember that girl from MTV? I know most of you are probably too young to remember Downtown Julie Brown. But for you old fuckers like me, who might have had a crush on her, I'm just saying. Might have had a crush on her, I don't know. So we're getting the rollover. Let's pull this up on the TSI. See it? We've been having the to the downside. But if these indicators do this and price holds, that's pretty damn bullish, okay? So we're seeing that, it can, again, like I was saying, it can work it off. It can work it off over time. Okay, it saved it, so it's cool. Uh-oh, does Keith remember? Come on, man. You remember I'm saying her name right? I hope I'm remembering right. Downtown Julie Brown. Come on, man. I miss that girl. That was some good times. I was probably smoking weed. I'm going to be honest. I was a teenager. I wasn't up to good. I'm going to be honest. All right, man. Come on, man.
In the news, I want a new drug. Hey, whoa, man, we have a weekend plan for you. We are going to Hawaii, and guess what? Yes, America, I'm talking to every single one of you out there. You can come.
Man,
you know
I want to come.
Because we're going to bring it to your TV show. Don't worry, you'll still be able to get a tan. You invite to Hawaii.
Damn.
Alan Hunter and the Fat Boys are going island hopping, and who knows what else could happen. It's
See what
called
I'm saying?
the Wipeout Weekend. See it all.
You see what she did there? Come on, man. That ain't fair to do to a young boy. Come on, man. You see what? That's what happened, man. She's over here looking at the camera. And my mom's saying, you watch TV too much. You need to stop watching TV and playing video games. You need to do something else, Joe. All you do is watch television and play video games. Oh, Scott knows. He's an old fucker. Come on, man. You guys don't know about Downtown Julie Brown? Oh, yeah. She's finer than that video. I just grabbed one first, man. And everybody's like, maybe trying to figure out what she was, too. What nationality is she? She's got to be mixed, right? That's what I remember my friends trying to figure it out. Like she was from an island or something. Downtown Julie Brown. Come on, man. Let's see. Now, my favorite. Let's see.
And America, get ready, it's Billy Idol.
All right, 1984, rock and roll. Are you ready? Steady, go!
14.
I said ready, steady, go. Yeah, ready, steady, go. Said ready, steady, go. Said ready, steady. I'm not in love with.
Oh, Billy, man. Come on, man. All right. I'm pretty sure we are in the dreaded motherfucking downsloping channel. That is what is going on. Maybe not. If so, the plays are to bounce off of the channel if you can. Now, here's where it'll get you. It'll, just as you're about to ring that bell to get out, it'll move up a little. That, my friends, is how the downsloping channel kills everyone. Let's see what happens. You guys don't like Billy Idol, man? Come on, White Wedding. Billy Idol was one of the first people ever to get kicked off of MTV for being fucked up. He was drunk or high or something. They kicked his ass right off of MTV. That is rare. I'm pulling up this Myrna while we look at that here. Let's see. Man, it is. All right, here's Myrna. This has been an absolute shit show. I mean, I think at some point this is worth taking a shot at. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what to do on this thing, man. Healthcare has been a shit show. I've been trying to play it. Jess has been telling me fuck healthcare, and it's kind of been right. There's so many good stocks in here, you know. We got Amgen, you know, I got that on as a trade right now. Amgen looks all right, man. You know, look at Amgen. This is what it should look like. This is the, come on, man. This is the dogs of the motherfucking Dow. Guys, if you don't get anything from me, oh, Jackie Brown, young peeps get them mixed up. You can tell the ages here by the, who was that other dude, man? That dude used to piss me off. He was so great. I mean, I was a headbanger and fucking, yeah. I'm going to be honest. I should have been doing better things than I was doing in high school. Most of you should have. Most of you guys are all perverts and shit. This is a down channel. I actually was kind of caught it along here, and I'm cutting it in half, man. Although we got a doji. But this is the dreaded. This is the dreaded. Now, if we get back up in this support area here, if we get back up into here, boom, look, as soon as I said it, I was done. I was going to cut it. That motherfucker breaks. Hey, sorry about that miscommunication. I had someone coming on with me, and we got our times mixed up. That's my bad. I had a little emotional breakdown earlier. I'm all right now, back to normal, but I had a little breakdown, I ain't gonna lie. What was the,
do with the Bitcoin besides it just gather value?
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value. We call them poor. We call them poor. People that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Sorry about that. Testing that audio, seeing if you guys could do the could still hear the
Currency, we call them poor. We call them poor. We call them poor.
man. Hey, back in the full long here. The 5-minute is against us right now. So along the TQQQ. Hey, one thing you could do, I want to give you a suggestion. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you a couple hacks today, okay? Because you tuned in, I'm going to give you a hack. Let me do it on let me pull up one of my E-Trade accounts. The other day, I accidentally pulled up, if you can't be in your E-Trade twice. So if you pull, the other day I did this shit, pulled up the wrong account, knocked myself out of my day trading account, ended up taking a loss. Talking about being pissed. Let me show you something here. All right. This is an E-Trade account you should see, okay? Apple's been getting some rare downgrades. This right here is a traditional IRA, okay? It's got $139,643 in it. Today's gain is $2,125. Now, when I started this account, you could only put $4,000 a year, $4,000 a year into the account. So 10 years in, you got 40 grand in, okay? So it takes a minute in an IRA. And one of the things about it is, now here's what I want to show you. Let's click it. I don't try to balance each account. Each account has a different thing going on, okay? Each account has a different mission. Your accounts can be like buckets. So on my main E-Trade, you'll see me log in on. I have 5 accounts. One just for futures. I do most of that on Coinbase now. 2 Coinbase accounts. Okay? 2 Cash App accounts. 7 E-Trade accounts. Now you're not going to have all this one day overnight. Okay? You're going to develop and grow as a human being. You're not going to be the same as you are now 10 years from now. 10 years from now, you're going to look back and go, wow, what a dipshit I was. We all do. I do when I was 40, when I was 40, when I was 30. So the point is you're going to mature as a person. Just as press the like button, gang, I would appreciate that. That is the only way that YouTube will alert followers who made this video. That, my friend, is Little Bubble. Little Bubble, if anybody knows Little Bubble, I would like to get Little Bubble on the show. He's only got about 40,000 followers, but the motherfucker can rap. That's the crazy thing. If I could rap like that, I think I would be the most followed influencer on the YouTube, because I would be straight dropping fucking raps, and I'd do that shit slim Jesus style. Or no, you gotta go G-Easy, right? Let me pull it back up, man. Let me get off what I was saying. I'm going to show you a couple hacks here. We're getting a stage 2 breakout, by the way, on the 1 minute. Price is now at 84.94, so we're moving up. I'm looking at about 85.10 to take some gains and hopefully push me over a couple $100 today. It's been a very profitable day so far. So back to this IRA account, though. Let me pull this up. Now I want to show you something. It says total gain on this, $802. The one thing I will give to M1 Finance, the way they track is so much better. E-Trade is, to me, it appears they are only tracking the price today and what you pay. That's it. There is no compounding. It doesn't take into account for any of like the in other words, bro, that balance there is, let me see if I can pull. So these are dividends, okay? Let me pull up TQ for just a second. We're live trading at the same time here. This is how talented I am. If you ever want to trade with me in person, let me know. You can coordinate that. Sometimes I do these nighttime ones if I feel froggy. And we trade Bitcoin on the 1 and 5 minute, and we day trade as if we're trading the TQ. What we're really trying to do there is trade price action, and we can look at your trading and hopefully fix it. Sorry, I thought I had this back up. We're actually at 94.98 right now. So I'm looking to get it at 85.10 is where I'm headed to. Back to E-Trade, pull up this tab. Man, I thought I was showing this the whole time. My bad. So if you look here, PNNT, last price, $6.91. I've got 2,224 shares. Says the price I paid was $6.50. Man, I don't know what the fuck I paid. I'm going to be honest. Okay. In 2018, look at this. Back in the day, in the 2015, you guys fucking making out in the back of a car. Most of you were teenagers. In 2015, that's 10 years ago. Think of the dumb shit you were doing then. 10 years ago, I'm trying to buy PNNT. You remember what you were doing? That's the power of compounding. It says I bought 71 shares, and the price I paid was $7. I don't even know if that was the price, man. Here's the problem. These things throw off so much in fucking dividends. So look at this dividend. Okay, boom. Price paid. Look at this. $2.50. During the COVID days, let's pull that up. 04. I'm going to show you a hack, okay? I just got sidetracked for a second, as I tend to do. I'm going to show you a hack right here. I'm going to show you how to get some shares today. I'm going to show you, okay? No, we're not doing fucking money flow coin. I would like to not go to prison, guys. Let's see. You only get away with that shit, apparently. Not as an influencer. You've seen how many influencers get in trouble over coins? Let's try weekly. What was the year 20? When the fuck was COVID? God damn, it was so long ago. 2020. That's like fine, dude. If you're still in this trade, and get ready to get back in. It's fixed. It's pumping. That's way down here, guys. So I got a lesson for you. Right in here. Look at that stage one. Guys, look at this stage one. Be honest. Be honest. Think about Walgreens. Would you have held this stock? And it was more than $4. They keep readjusting these charts for dividends and all that. Would you have held this if it came down and dropped, and it was down 80, 90% or something, 70, 80%. I don't know. You got to be truthful with yourself. I mean, would you have, or would you sold some? You'd be like, oh, I'm going to sell it all the way down. Or was it a buying opportunity of your fucking life? Now, I hear this bullshit all the time from younger people. This is a generational buying opportunity. Bro, we had those just a minute ago. Those come all the time. There's nothing unique about this. Technology, this new technology, Campbell's was a technology stock, by the way. Yeah, that was a generational opportunity. In other words, they're all the fucking time. That's what I'm trying to say. Back to, so look, I held it, dividends. The dividends bought, damn, how many shares did they buy? 94 shares. The dividends at $412. The dividends at $412. That's the power of compounding, man. So the point I'm trying to make is what E-Trade shows here, this is not right at all. Somehow it's just calculating your total share count and then price, but that doesn't give you a real return because some of these, I didn't buy all these shares, man. Look at all these fucking dividends. Boom. 447, 441, 394, 398, 376, 358, 348. These aren't my buys. These are dividend buys. 293, 290, 240, you seen a pattern here? 222, 219, 219, 217. You seen a pattern here? 214. Look, 199, 193, 192. So look at this. This is back in the 2016. Jess, were you old enough to drink then? You couldn't even drink alcohol then. 2016, what was that? 9 years ago? Let me see here. Ahead of you. Day trade professor just text me. Maybe you're on my live. Hey, I'm on YouTube, homie. GP, you want to jump on a trader Q&A tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern? I replied back. It depends on what. Let's see. Well, if my wife will let me. Let's see. That's a joke, you motherfucker. All right, here's what I wanted to show you. Ashley, is Ashley on Bourbon Street? Ashley's on Bourbon. All right, we'll pull her up. She thought she's slick. Well, Anthony's in a big orange coat. Oh, my friends are on Bourbon Street, guys. Let's see what's up. Make it ain't. Hey, Bourbon Street's nasty, by the way. Fucking nasty. Don't lay in the snow. Don't eat the snow, whatever you do. There he is. Anthony, is he deer hunting? Anthony looks like he's deer hunting. I'm gonna call him on the phone. These are my friends. Bourbon Street does not get much snow, guys.
I love that I got that on.
Let's see. You think I know my friend's phone number? Wait, hey, I see you, man.
Yeah, I saw you in some picture.
Yeah, I'm live on YouTube right now.
Cold.
Is it cold, motherfucker?
Oh my God. Frozen.
Hey, tell Ashley stop eating that snow.
Gerald, stop eating.
That's on Bourbon Street, man. Why is he not trading? You look like you're deer hunting. You got the big. What is it? Oh, that's what they have to wear in Wisconsin, the orange.
Yeah. Nobody's fine.
That's good.
Fingers gonna break off.
Is the wind whipping?
Oh, how's it out?
Oh,
It's like 12 degrees out.
oh.
And wait, I don't even have to call so I can get my hands in my pocket.
All right, man. Later. The oh, that noise is coming from people next to the camera, huh?
Yeah. Couldn't find anything.
Well, that's my friends on Bourbon Street right there, guys. Get back to trading. I'm mostly trying to get rich, not playing snow. Who? She said she was trading. She ain't trading. There's our day trader. She was trading earlier though. Yeah, let's get back to what trading here. That's Bourbon Street, by the way. That is Bourbon Street. So how fun is that? That's fun. I enjoyed that. Now I'm going to show you guys a hack here, a little thing you can do. That was just a compounding, man. That was cool. Let me get back on that for just a second. So look at this. 2013. Damn, gee. That is 12 years ago. I started a position in PNNT. Says I paid $11. I don't know if I did or not. But these are the first dividends. Boom, 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 boom. And you see them just growing bigger, bigger, bigger. So what's the last one here? Oh, we're back down to 348. Looks like was the last one. Nice. Anyway, let me show you something you can do here. Are they still out there? You could come over here. Let's not pick that one. Let's take Conoco here and say, now look at this. See where it says 0.109? Click sell. And let's say market. Now watch this. Look what happens. If I sell this partial shares, I'm going to get $11. Okay. So maybe we do that. Boom. Place order. You get $11. See, now we don't pay commissions. So doing this is worth it. Okay, right here. 0.651 would give you half of that, right? A little more than half. Boom. So we can sit here and just go down this list. And we could just capture, those are too small. This one here wouldn't be bad. 0.697. What is it doing? Giving you just a little bit of money. It's another $30. We could go down. DLR, look at this one. This is that $183 stock. It's overvalued too. So I'm going to sell the 0.245 part. Boom. Delete 0.2. Look at that. $44. Okay. $44. And you might think, big deal. Okay. There's this. Some days I go through this and man, I'll raise $600. And it's just little fractals, you know, little fractals. What I do? Oh shit, not limit price. Shit, sorry. All right, so that's $44, right? Boom. You know, double check it. Last thing you want to do is sell a bunch of some shit you've owned for a long time and just fuck up the whole thing. Okay. Let's go back to portfolios. Are there any others? Now, okay, look. Philip Morris. Now, some of these are on a buy signal, but I don't really too much care about that. These are just little fractionals, you know. This is if you needed to raise some money, and so on this one it's 0.409, right? This is just a way. There you go, another $50. Boom. Right. So now let's look at what we have. $163. Now, what am I wanting to do? I'm wanting to buy some boar, man. Okay. And I don't have a bunch of money. Boar's one of my spec plays. Boar's trying to get back into the box. Boar got hit with some paperwork. You know, this is not that big a company. It's just right at $1 billion. You know, they've got 22 jacked up rigs out in the water. They have some running for Amoco, whatever the fuck it's called, the Saudi Arabian one. They just got 3 letters to shut down 3 in the Gulf of Mexico. But maybe with the renaming of this is going to affect some things. I'm going to get off here in just a minute, man. That's funny. I like boar here. I'm being pretty liberal with this box zone. I'm playing off of the previous anchor point here, right in here. It's kind of where we got started in this. I think we're kind of back above that. Hold on, watching some trading there. So as far as I'm concerned, man, we're kind of just back in the box. Maybe I don't know. Maybe we need to get a little higher. But I definitely like boar here. We still got a lot of negative on the technicals. You know, still could go lower. The RSI is not lower, but I'm kind of taking this as kind of a backup into the box based on this anchor point here. I think this price is pretty nice for boar. I really do. Matter of fact, let's buy some right now. But I got $163. I don't have that much boar, to be honest. I didn't do the math here on how many I could buy. $46 shares. Let's pick up 46 shares. Now it's going to tell you to order purchase these shares. If accepted, it will be paid by the proceeds of the sale of the securities or an unposted deposits in your account, which settle on or before the payment of the purchase is due. If you enter an order to sell these securities before they are fully paid for, your account may be subject to a 90-day restriction under federal securities regulations. Fuck around and find out. They'll freeze you. You got to have a margin account to move in and that. It takes 3 days for shit to settle in the world of the stock market. All right, now let's get back up. So now some people would call that lowering your price average. I don't give a fuck about that. I'm buying boar on stage 1 until it hits true value. I don't, because I might raise my damn level. I might buy some more at 450 because that's the stage 1. Official Trump coin is now on Coinbase, guys. Let's jump over on Coinbase and buy some Trump coin while we can. Let's see. Trump coin. Hold on. I mean, if we're going to get let's see. Damn, this motherfucker is moving. Let's see. How much should we buy? Yeah, I'm out of the TQQ. Thank God. Jesus, fuck, man. what's happening? I just threw on a little short, see if I can catch some of that. All right. I am joining forces with Donald Trump and buying the official Trump coin. Okay. That doesn't, so everybody who got upset earlier for me getting mad at Trump, I'm now invested. Hey, Jess, you're going to need to go get some Trump coin right now. Okay. So, I just bought $250. No bullshit. Okay. No bullshit. Let me show you. All right. I think it's important that we support our president, even in rug pulls. Let's see. Damn, bro, they're going to even show me the coin? Come on, man. All right. All right, we're already down $3, so it's going good so far. It's not going to let me show you, is it? Oh, I got my green screen on. Anyway, I'm in it. Oh, I know what I can do to show you. I don't want anybody to think I'm bullshitting. All right, here we are in my email. Coinbase. Your Trump purchase is now available to send and trade. All right, so there you go. All right, so the first person to send me their address, Trump coin, I'm going to send you $10. No, let's do the first 4 people, and I'm going to send you $5 in Trump coin. So I only bought a little bit. That's all I got on me. Right. So let's see. So there you go. Text me your Trumpy address, your official Trump coin address, and I'm going to send you some official Trump coin so that we together can be invested in Donald Trump. Let's see. We can all go down together. Now, we got to see, is this thing grab some Trumpy coin. We got to trade this thing now. Okay. If stock charts had their shit together, they'd already have it up, man. So I'm going to check TradeView and see if maybe we can't catch the very first stage 1 in Trumpy coin. I think it's called the official Trump coin. I'm short the Qs right now, by the way. I'm short the TQQ. I don't know. I might buy some more Trump coin. Man, if you're gonna get rug pull, I think you got to go big, man. Right? We got to go big on this. I'm short right now. I'm not up much. I'm not that big a short. I'm gonna grab another $50 in Trump coin. Okay, there we go. I just bought another $50 in, and I don't pay no fees because I'm on Coinbase One. I think we got a doji here on the TQQ. All right. So, I mean,
There's a name for them. We call them the poor. We call them the poor. We call them the poor.
we stopped here before, guys. Thank you. I just covered my short, but I'm not trying to play the short side today. You got to get some official Trump coin, and then hey, text me your address, and I'll send you 5 Trump coins. I'm not sure what a Trump coin is yet. I haven't read the thing. I just figure best thing to do is just to buy it and ask questions later. I'm long. I think we just got a doji reversal here on this, and we'll see how this plays out. I'm gonna call my broker, see if I can get this Trump coin in my IRA. Call E-Trade, see if they can do that. Hello, E-Trade. Okay, now Jess just hit me. She first texted me back and said, "Really?" I said, "Yes." No, I didn't say anything. And maybe she saw the emails. I mean, guys, I'm not kidding. I just bought Trump coin. Let's see. There's the receipt from Coinbase. So I'm now going to send Jess some Trump coin. And the cool thing is through Coinbase, you can use a phone number instead of their address. So I could just randomly send Trump coin. This is what I should do. I have phone numbers. If you're on my text list, I have numbers. If I text it to you, and okay, what if they don't have it? It's just I don't get it back, I guess. What happens then? No, they get a link. It says, hey, to claim it, right? I don't know. I need to see how this works. All right. Damn. Bro, I'm already down on the Trumpy coin. All right, Jess, I'm sending you some Trumpy coin. Let's see. It says less than 1 minute. Pretty good. Not as fast as Bitcoin Cash. So I don't think this is going to become the official coin of the MFG. Man. See what Biden missed out on? Dude, he didn't even have a coin. I am out of any attempt to try to go along there. And this thing is breaking down. Look at that. You see how it stopped? I took a little shot at it, but here's the thing. Time continuity, right? Time continuity. You got to know the higher time frame was against you. The histogram on the 5-minute was pointing down. So, but you know what, man? I don't know, man. I think this holds this level. I feel this is the level, man. I'm gonna be honest. So we'll see. I got out. I'm gonna get right back in on the long side, just a little bit. I feel like this is gonna hold. I think we got a lot of confluence here. And if we get up here, we're gonna get a back in the box scenario or back over support. Okay. If I get up in that 84.56, man, I'm gonna buy some more Trump coin. I'm gonna liquidate some IRAs today, maybe. Let's see. It's backed by the U.S. government. See, this is how you pay back Coinbase for all those donations. Let's see. Here we go. Man, Jeff, did you get the damn coin or not? Let me know you got your Trumpy coin. Yeah, I'm back in on the long side here. Full position, baby. All in on the Trump. Yeah, I was teasing about that. I would not actually be. Now, James, honestly, I would not surprise me to see people selling DJT to buy Trumpy coin. But Trump coin's down too. Yeah. So I said, Jess, she says she got it. She's the first person to officially hear. GP, let's see this. So I'm long right here, man. I'm up about $100 right now. Gerald, how do you do it? How do you do it? Did you hear about the CBOJ's first 100% protected Bitcoin ETF? No. I mean, what does that mean? Jess has now invested in America. Investing in America. Let's see. Look at this run, guys. All right, so Jess got her Trumpy coin. I'm in for 300. Well, I was 300. I think I said Jess 25. 3 more people. If you want to send me your, text me your, and I will send you some Trumpy coin so that we can do this together. I have not heard about the CBOJs. I mean, how would it be protected? I don't understand. Nothing is protected, isn't it? Let's fucking go, Jess says. Bitcoin only. Yeah, bro. This ain't the motherfucking wealth squad, baby. We don't buy Bitcoin only. We also buy BitTo because BitTo pays us money. We also buy Amgen, like right here. We got a swing trade going in Amgen. Come on, Chris. What do you know about swing trading, baby? Or day trading? I'm up about $160 right now in the TQQ as this trade unfolds. I do like the TQQ about as much as I like Bitcoin. We are definitely not Bitcoin only. I love XRP right now. I'm gonna be honest, I like the Sol. What are we calling it? Sol? I never know what we're calling it. Now, let's see if that's still going. That was helped out by the Trump family rug pool. Look at this. It's up again today. We're up 5%. My average price on Sol is about $20 a coin. That, my friends, outperformed Bitcoin. So, fuck Bitcoin only. It makes no sense. If you're a good trader, you can way outperform Bitcoin. Come on, man. That's why it don't make sense to me. Here's the other one. Here's why it don't make sense to me. BITX is Bitcoin 2x. That would make 2 times it. Right? That's 2 times Bitcoin. That don't even own Bitcoin. Here's the other one, BitTo. This one pays 47% dividend yield on Bitcoin. It don't even own Bitcoin. Man, what are we going to do with all that? That's the problem with the Bitcoin only crowd. Their brains are small. Come on, I said it. Your brain is small. You better expand your brain. What's going on, Bitcoin only? Let's see. You got to expand your brain. Let's see. I'm out of the trade, by the way. We're going to take that down. Yeah, that was a nice breakout. Man, I guess that's it, man. I'm going to take this down. I got to do a thing. Hey, Ethan. Ethan better buy some goddamn. Get some Trumpy coin, Ethan. Yeah, the chart does look good. I ain't going to lie on Bitcoin. He knows I'm fucking with him, but chart does look good. Well, it is a crime season, ain't it? Hey, everybody go get some Trumpy coins. And here, we'll see I'm gonna send a. Hey, I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm with my man here, kind of. I'm gonna be honest. He says I take 100,000 in Bitto over anything right now, even buying Bitcoin directly. Yeah, fuck yeah. Me too, man. Fuck yeah. I mean, shit. I question if I should get rid of my goddamn Bitcoin and buy Bitto with it. I haven't done that, but I'm out of the trade, by the way. I'm gonna be honest. I have one nation. I have thought about that, man. I haven't done that. Let me just state that, but I have thought, fuck, man, I should get out of these Bitcoins. And if I put all that shit in Bitto, yeah, I might not get the same price appreciation. It might be off. Okay, I'm up 150 instead of 180, but I'm getting this crazy fucking dividend. And with the dividend, I buy BITX, which is 2 times Bitcoin. Come on, man. Come on. That's the kind of stuff that keeps me up at night. Sitting around thinking of shit like this. That's how the second income stream came about, man. You know, I had to make some moves. I had to make some stuff. I was going to be selling some properties, and I needed to make up for some cash flow. You know, and I'm sitting. You know, I keep 30,000 in my trading account, man. Let's watch this for a possibility of getting back on this trend here. We're at 84. I don't know. It's going to need to really pop. So get your hot keys ready if you're a trader. When they're hot, they're hot. That's it, man. That's all I got. I got to go to a thing here at 2 o'clock. I got a meeting to deal with.
Besides it just gather value.
Real estate developers in New York City, they're not buying the real estate because they want to live in it.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit.
People that use fiat currency as a store of value, we call them poor.
I'm already underwater. My truck coin.
People
Now $3.
that use fiat currency, we call them poor. We call them poor.